Hello. We're going to see how to do those operations based on functions f of x and g of x. Addition just means that we're going to add both functions. So if we have minus 2x plus 7 as function f, so this first one is equivalent to having f of x plus g of x. So we're going to have function f first, minus 2x plus 7, and then we're going to add it with function g, which is 4x minus 7. And then we have to simplify. So that's minus 2x plus 4x. We get 2x plus 7 and minus 7 gets you a 0. Now the second one is equal to f of x minus g of x. So we're going to basically do the same thing that we did up here, but you have to be careful with your signs. So this is going to be minus 2x plus 7. This is supposed to be a 7, and minus 4x minus 7. So that means that we are going to multiply both the 4x and the minus 7 by minus 1. So that will get you a minus 2x. That's the first one stays the same, the f of x, and then minus 4x, and then careful here, minus 1 times minus 7 will get you positive 7. So now this will end up as minus 2x and minus 4x, that's minus 6x, and 7 plus 7, that is 14. The next one sometimes can be mistaken for a composition. That is not a composition, that is a multiplication, which basically is multiplying f of x times g of x. The composition is very similar, but you need a f composed with g of x, looks like this. So the multiplication is just a dot. And this will mean that you're going to do minus 2x plus 7 times, in this case, plus 4x minus 7. So you're going to multiply those two. So you're going to start by multiplying minus 2x times 4x. We're going to have minus 8x squared. Then minus 2x times minus 7. It's minus and minus, so careful with your signs. Plus 14x. Then 7 times 4x. That's going to be 28x, and 7 times 7. Now, once again, the signs. Minus 49. And the next step would be to add like terms. So here you have those two. So you would just have to add 14 and 28 to get your x term. But I'm going to leave that up to you. And finally, if you're asked to do an evaluation after you already did the operation, is fairly simple because you already know what f minus g of x is, and now you're just plugging a 4 into that operation. We could do f of 4 and then g of 4 separately, but why go through all that trouble when we already know that we just have to take the minus 6, multiply it by 4, which is the input. So the input goes into that x, and then plus 14. So that's going to be minus 6 times 4, minus 24, plus 14. So it's just about doing that operation, and you're going to get minus 10.